Good morning. We are off to San Francisco to apply for our visa to Portugal.
Here we are on the tram. We are on the way to the gate, on the way to San Francisco, on the way to our VFS appointment, on our way to Portugal, hopefully.
Hopefully. Good morning again, everybody. We've just landed in San Francisco.
It's so nice in this airport.
It's wonderful. We're going to get a bite to eat, and then we are going to head off into town and do our visa appointment.
I just ordered my first Uber. I know
Ever.
Ever.
It's a beautiful day. So,
Gorgeous day.
yeah, let's go get a visa. So there you have it. We just completed the visa appointment, and the total time was about an hour and 20 minutes. All of our paperwork was in order for each of us, and they were very nice.
I think for me, I was really surprised that it was just a data collection appointment. I thought it was going to be more like an interview process, but
Yeah.
it wasn't. It was just they asked for our documents, we provided the documents, and they did some data entry, and we were done.
I think it went really smoothly, and it was a lot less nerve-wracking than I expected. And it was just really exciting to see all of our applications that you guys work so hard to you know, what's the word?
Compile.
Work so hard to compile, be shipped off and hopefully get approved. It's really exciting.
Good. Yeah, let's put positive energy into the universe. All right, let's start some fun, shall we? Give me a...
Oh, yeah.
Back in Las Vegas, baby.
Las Vegas, we're tired. It's late at night.
Positive energy, babies.
We still gotta drive home. But we did it. What a fun day.
Terrific day. Hey. So we're on our way to pick up our FedEx delivery today. Our passports are being returned from the San Francisco office of VFS, and hopefully our visas will be in there, and hopefully we will have a glorious day today. It's also Melissa's birthday. Who's behind the camera?
It's me.
And yeah, just looking forward to a nice positive result, and then I can really get my head into this move and get excited, because I just didn't want to get too excited thinking about all the fun things ahead and then be disappointed. So looking forward to changing my headspace. How about you?
Same. It'd be an amazing birthday present. The only birthday present I could ever possibly want or need would be a visa approval today. That would be amazing. It's been a couple of years in the making, this goal of ours, and today determines whether or not we move forward or make a plan B, because we don't have a plan B right now.
Yeah, my plan B is to be in fetal position in the corner of the closet if there's no visas in those passports.
Yeah, same.
Oh my goodness, REO Speedwagon, time for me to fly is on the radio. That's a sign, everybody.
How do you want to do this?
Just...
Now, don't say anything till everyone has it in hand. Okay.
There's a slip inside, I feel it in my hand.
Yeah.
I got a little something poking out.
I got a slip.
Oh! I got mine.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh
Please
my
have
god.
yours.
What page is it on?
Oh, there's one.
Is this it?
Yeah!
Oh,
Oh my
Congratulations.
Time. Wow. I can't believe this.
We got our Portuguese visa. We're going to Portugal.
Oh.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy
and
birthday to Mel. We're going to Portugal.
Holy moly. Holy moly's.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Thank you, living room.
Thank you, Las Vegas.
We are leaving Las Vegas.
Leaving Las Vegas.
Good afternoon. Finally, after a gazillion years of planning, we are finally going to depart Las Vegas. And remember, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, so we can't tell you anything. We are starting our leg to Lisbon, and today we are going to drive to Los Angeles Airport, check in, spend the night, and then we are going to grab a flight to New Jersey, and then from New Jersey on to Lisbon. So let's see what adventures we uncover along the way. Goodbye home. Thanks for serving us well. And let's see what waits around the corner. So we filled up our rental car with a lot of stuff we didn't need to take and made sure we didn't have much room in the back seat, and we headed out to Los Angeles. I feel like a zombie.
Yeah.
Zombie. Maybe it's because it's in my head.
What's in your head?
Zombie.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're running on 4 hours sleep, and we still got a good 4.5, 5 hour drive, and we shall check in, see if we can knock out another 5 hours sleep, and then hit that 6 a.m. flight, and see what tomorrow is going to bring.
Right
So it's pretty much rather uneventful as we move along.
Yeah, it was raining in Vegas before our drive. It was like pouring, but I think that meant good luck for us, and now it's nice and sunny, so.
All right.
For me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What was the question?
Where are we at?
The jungle, maybe?
No.
I'm just teasing you. The Residence Inn Marriott Hotel here in Los Angeles, right next to the LAX airport. Yeah, we just got here. It's around 9-ish.
My brain is scrambled eggs. Those are my thoughts right now. We're not getting to bed for a couple more hours. And there's no food.
And we overpacked.
And there's too much shit.
And these things, we don't know if they're going to split open or not.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if that was a good idea. Buying those. Find out.
1 hour later.
Uh-oh, we got a problem here. It just fell off. And this is going to suck.
So, I don't know what time it is, 11 maybe?
I think so.
On the day we left Las Vegas, we're in Los Angeles. We just returned the rental car and I'm tired.
We're going to call an Uber.
Yeah.
And we're going to head back to the hotel.
Right.
And if we're lucky, we'll get 5 hours sleep tonight. And we wake up and we've got to try and get all this luggage to the terminal and catch our flight. Let's see what happens. Good morning, everybody. We just arrived at Los Angeles Airport. We were very lucky to have the opportunity to catch a shuttle at the right time. We got everything put up on the shuttle, and here comes the lady with a cart. So how cool is that? There they are. Looks like we're gonna get inside now with our stuff, and there's a lot of stuff.
So we gotta go get 2 parts, right?
Yeah.
And so I need 2 people, and somebody's gotta stay here. Oh,
What do you mean? Yeah.
Can you hold this all down?
Yes.
And make sure you got Willow.
I got Willow.
Did she run off?
Yes. You want to do this? And
All right, here we
she
go,
ran.
Betty. Come
Bye,
on.
bud.
Come on, buddy. Oh no, this
We love you,
I'm
pal.
gonna put her in butt first because she's
okay.
never done this. I'm so sorry. I'm so
That's fine. It's okay, baby. It's okay. No, I'm just playing.
It's okay, bud. You're good. You're good. You're good. See?
Okay, I think I got a couple more over there, so that's fine.
Bye, bud. We love you. Be a good girl.
Goodbye.
See you soon.
Okay?
You're on an adventure.
In there.
You bringing me suitcase? No, I
Do we
have
need
some.
to zip tie this?
Yes, we do. But
Okay.
I have some downstairs.
You do,
Or you
okay.
go. What's good? You can use those. It's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay.
There's nothing wrong with me. It's you guys that are excited.
Oh, man.
I want these color codes.
This is rough.
We're boarding a plane soon, aren't we?
What's that?
We're
Yeah.
boarding a plane and...
I know, right?
All
I
right.
love you, Willow.
Yeah, she should.
Be okay, buddy. We'll go see you soon.
Take the
Love you.
pet light off. Thanks, sir.
All right, bud.
Thank you.
All right.
Guys.
Yeah, it's like you flying.
Wow. Oh, wow. And then it's flat for
That's
most
Yeah,
of
it's
the
like
time?
it's stop.
That's it.
Thank you,
There's a
guys.
stick there at the very end that'll stop it.
I hope she stops shivering soon. Oh my goodness.
Alright, where do we go from here?
We're already checked in. I did it by phone, and so I think we can go. Yeah, let's go through security. This place is a zoo. For a pandemic, there is. Hey, you all know my next guest here. There she is. There's a lot of people. There's nowhere to sit down, and Sammy's in line at Starbucks there to try and get us some tea. But hopefully we'll be boarding soon. And so far, 2 days without a shower. Melissa's not happy. So we made it onto our flight, and it was delayed an hour, but we should be departing here in a couple minutes. And Willow is down below, hopefully doing well. And we've got a full plane.
Yeah.
So off to Jersey we go. Let's do it.
On behalf of all employees at RT Airlines, we look forward to seeing you again soon.
We landed in Newark on our way to Carousel 10. Carousel 10 it is. Crowded airport. Wow. All right. And then we're off to get Willow. I am so curious to see how she's doing. All right. Well, it looks like the IKEA bags made it. Okay, we just spoke to the agent at Alaska Airlines, and they're bringing out Willow, and she'll be coming from down there. Hi, Willow. Hi, buddy. Okay. So she hasn't peed or anything, or so we're good to go. Yeah. Well, where's the nearest grass? Out here.
Literally outside.
Okay. I always recommend TAP Light whenever possible. Apparently this is not the way to go. Hopefully we got it all. I'm hoping. Something to be said about minimalism. I think when we get through all this hocus pocus of travel, and we get some downtime, I'm gonna see what's going on in the world of minimalism and read how to continue to declutter. Because your junk or your stuff owns you. And that's not good. So Melissa just got off at the wrong stop, and I'm on my own now, going to P4. Oh, we got some help. Oh, too late.
Please hold on while the train is moving.
Alright, we'll figure it out.
Right now we're in the train. We made it. Oh, we made
Next
it.
stop is Terminal D.
Dad's in the other one because we have so much stuff.
Air Lincoln, Air
But
China.
it just gets better and better.
Okay, we've made it out of the airport, and we're waiting for the shuttle, and we have all our pieces of luggage. And how y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Feeling good? Huh?
I thought we were good.
Are you guys feeling good as hell?
I am.
Give me a hair toss.
Got your name in.
Can I get a nail check now? So we're gonna hop on the shuttle and we're gonna head to the hotel, and that's the plan. And hopefully we can fit all the luggage at once onto the shuttle, so we don't have to be separated or do two different shuttles. So we'll find out. And thank goodness it hasn't rained yet either. So we're doing all right. We're doing all right. Haven't eaten at all today, but we're holding our own. Hopefully we can get something tasty at the hotel. Good afternoon. Huh, we got a day ahead of us today, don't we, guys?
Yeah, it's our final travel day, though. That's really good news. It's our final travel day, and we have to go get COVID tested right behind us here at the Newark Airport in New Jersey. And
Yep.
barring any surprises, we'll be on our way to Lisbon after that.
Hopefully none of us test positive. But yeah, we got to get the rapid test PCR, and it's $250 a pop. Ouch.
Coming out.
Oh, okay. No problem.
All right.
Was it making you sneezy?
Mm-hmm. It does make me sneezy.
Coming out.
Oh,
It's
it gets
getting-
you on the edge of a sneeze, but you don't sneeze.
Right. All right, I'm coming out and going into the room.
It felt like as if I was cleaning my nose with a Q-tip. It was nope, nothing.
Yeah. What'd you think of it?
It tickled.
Yeah. It was almost, it was,
Yeah, it tickled where I wanted to sneeze.
right. That's what happened to me.
It felt like to me I just had a Q-tip in there. I totally didn't have any tickling sensation.
Oh yeah, I mean I wasn't bothered by it or anything. It just
It takes you on the edge of a sneeze.
yeah. Yeah,
It's
it felt like she
pleasant.
was
It's
cleaning
almost,
my nose.
it's almost pleasurable in a weird way, I
I did
thought.
not feel any of that.
No?
No.
Huh.
Which one's mine?
All right. Anything else? Any other comments? before I
Waiting
click
for the
this?
results. Can't wait to get them.
Okay. It's just such an experience for me, you know? Yeah, I mean, it's not every day I let somebody up my nose with a swab. So, yo, we got to hit the shuttle. Hey, y'all take care and be safe. Thanks.
Mine says negative.
Congratulations, everybody. We got negative results. So happy. So we're in line finally with TAP Portugal, and gonna try and check in Willow. Hopefully the airline doesn't hit us up with expensive fees. This is my new friend Jamal.
How's it going, you two?
Jamal's the first person in line.
I am.
And our new subscriber. Might be our first subscriber. While we're on the road, yeah, I think so.
I'm number one in everything.
Outside of family.
Okay.
So, yes, you are number one in everything. So, forever nicknamed number one.
Number one.
And so there you go. So let's see what happens with TAP Portugal. Let's see if they're okay with our dog's weight. Let's see if they're okay with the luggage weight. Or are they going to make us put little bits in each other's cases? And hopefully we can all get to the gate and have a laugh. And,
your pockets.
yeah, right. Exactly. So we'll see you on the other side of the gates.
Yes.
Okay.
Buddy, you're being so good. She's not even shaking.
And does our dog ride down the ramp?
No.
Okay.
So he's gonna go into like a special oversized elevator. So they're gonna put him on one of the carts, and then they'll wheel him to the elevator. He'll go down the elevator. He's not gonna go down like on a ramp or anything. And then they'll use the elevator to get him into the cargo hold.
And that's the pressurized area.
Yes.
And
Perfect.
is she going to be somewhere where there's like controlled temperature in the plane?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
It is gonna be loud though.
Yeah.
She flew pretty well from LA to New Jersey.
Oh, so
And that was
about-
6 hours,
about
so.
the same time.
Okay, as long as
Yeah.
there's no delays. Do you foresee any delays?
There shouldn't be.
Okay,
No.
terrific.
Yeah, we usually leave on time. The weather is nice today. There should be no
Temperature is
reason-
good in there?
Yeah.
It's under 85?
Yeah, oh
Okay.
yeah, no, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's like how the cabin is. It might be a little cooler.
No worries.
Yeah.
And I'm just worried about those are going to split open possibly. So if they're in the tub or...
They're gonna get in the tub before they go down the ramp. Yeah.
Okay.
When you guys go down to the gate, your ticket isn't gonna work. Like you can go through TSA, but the ticket isn't gonna work because we changed your seats. We pushed you guys up closer to the front of the plane, give you guys some better seats. All right. That was courtesy of Thomas.
Thank you.
He's not here right now, but you have to go down to the plane.
Oh my goodness. That
It
never happens to us. Love you, buddy. We'll see you soon, bud, okay?
I know, you don't want to. We got to.
You go night-night, buddy.
Good girl.
Love you.
Is she able to turn around?
Yeah,
Okay.
turn around.
Okay, yes, yeah, we got everything.
Alrighty. She went in really well this time and turned herself around.
I feel better this time than I did the other time.
Yeah.
How do you feel, Santa? A little better this time than the first time? Because she was shaking. I don't think she's shaking this time.
Before we got the extension to be with her, I thought I was gonna pass out, like from my fear and sadness from saying goodbye to Willow. But after hearing that they wanted to upgrade our seat and seeing how well they are with her, I feel like we chose a really good airline. I mean, it's
Me
still
too.
soon to tell, but as of right now, that has me feeling more calm and that they really care and that she'll be okay and that we'll be okay too.
She's also going to have a terrific time when she arrives. We're talking sardines and Cascais beaches. So she's going to have a great life.
We doing this.
So we're here to pick up Willow. Somebody is supposedly going to come out these doors and we will be reunited with Willow. And then we go over to there to have the vet inspector pay 40 euros and scan our microchip. After waiting 25 minutes by the doors, we walked 2 minutes to the hallway past the carousels and discovered the kennel with Willow inside. We then got her taken care of at the vet station and made our way through customs. Here we are in Lisbon, same day after all that travel, and we're gonna take a quick walk over to the riverfront with Willow the Wonder Dog and just kind of chill out and watch the sunset. So we found this bridge here that takes you across the highway and the train tracks, and we'll show you what we're looking at here from across the road in just a moment. There it is. Welcome to Bélem Tower.
I'm a little overwhelmed by being here. It's certainly beautiful.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
I'm just really excited to be here, hopefully get a good night's sleep and then really be able to enjoy what Lisbon has to offer tomorrow.
What did you think about the day today?
It was exhausting, having to move everything, get places, make sure everyone was alright, but it was thrilling and it was really good. I mean, any day where I'm with my family is a good day, so I'm just looking forward to more days to come.
So it's the end of our first official day, although we all have jet lag, so I don't really consider this an official first day, but it is technically our first day here in Lisbon, and it's been wonderful. Every human being we've encountered has been amazing and helpful and welcoming. We have a nice apartment close to the river. What else could you ask for?
It was a long day.
Yeah, it was a long day, for sure. I'm ready
Yeah,
for bed.
definitely. Everybody has been amazing.
It's been pretty smooth, other than the actual travel and having to load and unload 13 pieces of luggage about 10 times.
Yeah.
But it was worth it. Here we are. We made it.